come el pescado se comió todito, nada me ha quedado. Ahora está llorando, miau, miau.
First open CapCut. Then add your clip. Select your clip. Then set volume to 0. Select aspect ratio to 1:1. Then zoom in your clip. Then select main part for skull edit. Then freeze it and remove the trash. Add funk for edit. Then adjust beat in main part. Tap to translation and select shack. Then choose any dark filter. Then add shack effects. Adjust it. Then add hollow blur effects. Then add Black Shack 2 FX. It looks like this. Add skull face and arrow. Use chroma key to remove background. Adjust it. Select FX and tap to object to all. It looks like this. Add overlay of weight for end green screen video. Remove green screen using chroma key. Then go to the start and add edge glow FX. Tap to FX and set object to all. Add sharpen edge FX. Add filter called Clear 2. Tap to text button and add your name. Choose any font. Go to the animation and select Image Overlay. Export it in 4K quality.
Se comió el pescado, se comió todito. Meloncito ahora está llorando.